guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a chit chat get ready with me, just kind of talking about random things that are happening, TV shows, YouTubers that I'm into right now, and getting this face of makeup on. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look and getting ready with me, then keep watching. Hey guys, how are y'all today? I figured this morning I would do a chit chat get ready with me. I love doing these about once a month just to kind of let you guys know what's going on with my life, what products I'm using. If you're interested in like a full detail of what's in my everyday makeup bag, kind of shop my stash style, what I'm trying to work on this month, I will link that video up above. I will be filming it right after this, but I figured I'd chit chat with you guys while I got ready today. So if you're interested in everything that's kind of in my big makeup bag for the month of February, be sure to check that video out. But like I said, today we're just gonna kind of get the face and everything, kind of check in with each other, see how we're doing, things like that. It is Wednesday. We are in the month of February and I'm really excited. I can't believe January was kind of like a crazy month. Just emotions, things in the world, things at home wise. So I'm really happy that February has come because it's like a new month, a new kind of leaf. Nothing kind of crazy, anything bad or anything really happened. It's just, I don't know, not how I was planning on the first month to go. I don't have any like super big crazy news to share with you guys. Jackson is still currently in school. He will be 3 next month, so I've been like doing a lot of his like birthday party prep kind of stuff. So if you live in the United States, you guys know around in March, it was like 3 days right before his birthday party is when everything shut down and we went like on super quarantine shutdown. Kind of was scary for a while. So unfortunately, like last year I bought all of his birthday party supply stuff and kind of went overboard crazy last year. It was like baby shark themed, had goodie bags, all this kind of stuff. This year, unfortunately, we are still dealing with COVID here in the United States, so we are not planning on doing a super big party again this year. I am planning on hanging out with some of our friends, our closest friends that we kind of have been seeing in quarantine buddies and stuff with, and seeing them like at a playground and setting up stuff for that. So I did buy a couple of decorations so that we can kind of have a little play date celebration at a park for anyone interested. It's not going to be like super overdone or anything crazy like that. I did get some cute little construction costumes because I think I'm going with like a bulldozer, like worker theme. He's like super into like excavators. There's a lot of construction going on where we live, so he's like super interested in that kind of stuff. So I did that. I also just bought this cute I'm Digging Being 3 shirt with Rubble from Paw Patrol. I think he's gonna absolutely love that. So that will be coming soon. But yeah, I did just purchase all of his birthday gifts and stuff like that and his stuff because I just didn't want to stress about it too much in like as it got closer. I just wanted to get that all kind of done. But yeah, I can't believe he's gonna be 3 this year. I feel like last year, because it was COVID and things like that, I have a mirror over here if y'all are curious what I'm looking at. But since there was COVID and everything, I feel like that year was kind of taken from everybody. But I am excited to celebrate with him, and then family will celebrate his birthday like after nap time. It's kind of my goal, or what I'm thinking this year, just kind of have it separate instead of everybody all together. Yeah, I will have a 3-year-old on my hands. I do plan on doing like a favorites video. I did one last year of his 1 to 2-year-old favorites. I plan on doing a 2 to 3-year-old favorite. Things he has been using the most and loving the most this past year will go on there. I think those videos are super helpful for anyone who has a similar age child as me or younger, so you kind of know like certain gifts and things for other family members, friends, and stuff like that. So I hope to film that video next week with what he has been loving lately. And then I'll share with you guys kind of a couple of the gifts, but I didn't go too crazy because we did buy like a big gift for him. His big gift is a big bounce house thing. I saw a couple of my friends had one, and I figured that would be fun to have, especially when it's wintertime, coldy, rainy days, things like that where you have to stay inside. Jackson has been loving jumping on couches, even when having like a nugget, which if you don't know what nuggets are, I will link a picture of it, but basically it's like foam kind of cushions that's basically like a couch. You can put it in a couch formation, but he's been loving that. So I thought that would be fun, and then it's big enough to a couple of his like friends could play on it, things like that. So we did end up getting that. And then I got like a couple of books. I think that's about it that we got him. So I'm excited. He's really excited for his birthday. He knows he's turning 3, all that kind of stuff. Like probably the hardest year so far is definitely that 0 to 1 year. And then I feel like definitely the 2 to 3 went super fast. The 1 to 2 just was, it was good. It was good. But then I feel like time has just kind of been speeding up. I don't know if that's just how, when they get older, it feels like that. If you have older children, let me know kind of what you think about your kids' birthdays. Which one's the hardest, things like that. I feel like I heard a lot about when your child is like 5 or 6, especially, that those birthdays are kind of harder for the moms. So let me know if you have a little one. If you haven't seen my empties, I'll give you guys kind of an update on my hands. So if you've been following me for a while, you guys know I, around this time of year, all the time, no matter what hand cream stuff I'm using, I'm always getting really dry bleeding hands. So I am on a prescription, I'll kind of put it right here of what it is, and I use it 2 times a day, like morning and night right after contacts, and my hands have been looking so much better. Also have been in my kitchen sink using a CeraVe or a Cetaphil facial cleanser instead of a Bath & Body Works hand soap, and I feel like that's helping. Also been using a lot of my First Aid Beauty repair creams throughout the day, so my hands have been looking so much better. So if you have kind of hands like I did that would like constantly be dry and cracking and stuff like that, definitely go check out your dermatologist and see what they recommend. But I mean, one of the main things is definitely to take away Bath & Body Works products. I do still have Bath & Body Works hand soaps all over my house right now. In my son's bathroom, in the downstairs bathroom. I have some in the kitchen, but I use my separate one. So what I'm thinking of doing is just finishing use up the stash that I have. I have more of those facial cleansers coming, so I will kind of concentrate on using that more, especially in the winter time. And then just start buying, because my husband and my son don't really care about what kind of hand soap they use, and just kind of buy like the regular kind of foaming hand soaps that you can get, like Method and stuff like that at the grocery store, Target, what have you. So that is kind of the plan. But my hands have been looking so much better since using that cream and just kind of doing those little differences. I know a couple of you guys were just talking about me looking into my hair care and cleaning products and things like that. I think with how my hands are looking right now, I don't need to go into kind of that extremes. I'm going to keep using what I like using right now. If it gets worse, I know something else to kind of consider. But right now that's kind of what I'm sticking with, and yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. Tomorrow will be a super fun day. I'm planning on filming it for you guys, but I am having a couple of girlfriends over that night, ordering a pizza, just kind of having a girls' night, going to Target, picking out some snacks. So I will take you guys along with me, kind of in a day in the life kind of style video. So that will be a really fun kind of day and then a video for you guys to share. I saw like a whole bunch of like charcuterie board kind of stuff, but really just want to buy like any kind of candy snacks that look good and do it that way. There's just going to be a couple of girls, not too much, so excited to kind of have a girls' night. been so long. We're all kind of taking our precautions, but again, like being a stay-at-home mom with a toddler, it's very important, I think, to have a couple girlfriends you're close with for mental reasons, like your mental health state kind of thing. So these have been like the girls that I can always count on and call whenever I need to vent, things like that. So, and they can definitely call me. So I'm excited to hang out with them some more. And Isaac and Jackson will be at his parents' house. So I kind of have a night at the house by myself, which has not happened in a very, very, very long time. So it'll be interesting. And Jackson will have a lot of time with his daddy and his parents. They don't live too far away, so it'll be really nice for them. What have you guys been watching lately? Like Netflix or Hulu or even YouTubers? Let me know. I feel like I've kind of been in like a rut, not trying to find other things to watch. So I watched Bridgerton. I watched The Fate of the Winx, which was really good, like sci-fi kind of fairies, Harry Potter-esque meets Gossip Girl. I don't know, pretty good. I liked it. That series though went so fast. There are only 6 episodes on Netflix, so that went really fast. And then that's pretty much all I've really been watching lately. Nothing kind of that I can really think of. I'm trying to find new things to watch and nothing's really kind of catching my attention. So leave your ideas, what you've been loving on Netflix, down below. But I am happy. I went on my Hulu account and noticed that a lot of my CW shows are now coming back. So Riverdale is back on. Also, I watched The Legacies, which is kind of a spin-off of Vampire Diaries. So that is a new episodes to watch. So I'm really happy about that. I've been watching that. But that's about it. YouTube-wise, kind of been changing it up lately. I have kind of drifted away a little bit towards like the mommy vloggers lately, especially some of the bigger ones, just with what a lot of stuff that's going on. And I've been watching a lot more beauty YouTubers and a lot of people who do like Amazon hauls, because you guys know I'm obsessed with Amazon. And I do have a Amazon haul video that I will be filming here maybe tomorrow if I have time with everything going on tomorrow, but definitely will be up next week of kind of the things I have purchased this month, which it's supposed to not be a lot, says my husband, but it ended up being a lot. I just opened this mascara yesterday. This is from Wander Beauty. It's the Mile High Club. It was just kind of sitting in my drawer. I don't know where I got it. Maybe a FabFitFun box, what have you. So yeah, I played with it yesterday. It's kind of more of a drier formula. I'll put one on one lashes. I noticed it was a lot harder to take off at night. So we'll keep playing with this, let you guys kind of know my thing. But it's a lot drier of a formula than the Charlotte Tilbury one I was using last month. So there is one coat on one lash, nothing on the other. So it's not a favorite. I'll keep using it this month. Have you guys tried this mascara? Let me know in the comments down below. I really want to do some more cooking videos, what's for dinner videos, but we've kind of been sticking to the tried and true, especially in the winter time. So we've been making a lot more chili lately. There's a wrap that I did this week that I made twice. I made it again for lunch today. Basically what you do is you take chicken tenders, like the frozen fried ones, put them in your air fryer, like mix them with buffalo wing sauce that you just kind of get from the grocery store, and then make a wrap out of it with like bacon, cheese, lettuce, cut up little baby tomatoes, and put it in a wrap. And it is so good, guys. I put a little bit of ranch on it. I order that kind of sandwich all the time at restaurants, so having it at home, you can make it as saucy as you want, because you know when you order like buffalo chicken wraps at restaurants, they make it so saucy that it's like soupy. So making it at home, it was just so good. Definitely hit the spot. Really loving that. So I will be making those a lot more. I can show you guys in a what's for dinner video, but I've been making things I've already kind of made here on my channel and filmed, and then when I try something new, I kind of have been just doing it and not filming it. But I do hope to do more of those videos coming very soon. But yeah, let me top it with my Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss. But that's about it for like the big updates. I do hope to do more videos. If you have any video requests for me, let me know in the comments down below. I'm excited to continue to share. Thank you guys so much for getting ready with me, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that